Smart Klaus sets new standards in injection molding assembly. Why do leading industrial companies already trust it? Because it guides employees step by step, automatically checks each action in real time, and digitally documents results, including images, timestamps, and piece counts, without gaps. This creates process reliability that meets audit requirements and reassures OEM standards. Every step is correct. Every variant is accurate. Every record is available. No extra effort required. Leading companies are already relying on our worker assistance system. So, when will you start? Smart Klaus, the clever solution for your injection molding production.